What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Out, and we are getting ready for two breaks tonight. The first one is a 4-box mini break. It is break 685. We're going to go ahead and get that one started now. Teams, in 15 minutes. Teams are going ahead now. Good luck, guys. Everybody's paid up. Let's do it live. Excuse me. Good luck, 945. Here's your team's name. Sorry, Janice, the Jeffrey, Anaheim, the Winnipeg. 1, 2, 3. Shoot. Timestamp on 3. Timestamp on 3. 9:45. 9:45. Last and final. We'll do it. This is 9:45 and 9:45. Let's copy them over. Vancouver to St. Louis. And the Rangers to Detroit. 9:45. Time to do the names. Janice to Jeffrey. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp on 3 says 9:46. 9:46. Last and final. $9.46. 9:46. Jonathan on top of the list, and Brad at the halfway mark, and then Colin down to Haley. There is your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in 15 minutes, folks. Best of luck.